Subscribe and press the bell icon for latest update.
हाल ही में स्माइल फाउंडेशन पर दिखी हैं अभिनेत्री समा सिकंदर। जी हाँ, नीस का बर्थडे मनाने के लिए वो यहाँ पहुंची थी। खैर, इसी के साथ ही क्या कहा बोल्ड एक्ट्रेस समा सिकंदर ने, आइए आपको सुनाते हैं।
So I'm here to celebrate my niece Sarah's birthday. She's turned 13 now, and I thought there should be something special done on this beautiful day. As a child, I remember my parents used to take me to kids, you know, from around around where I used to live, and they always taught me कि बेटा आप पार्टी से सभी करते हैं, पर आप उन बच्चों के साथ सेलिब्रेट करिए जो जिनके पास इतनी सुविधा नहीं है या जिनके पास ये सब नहीं है. सो दे यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज टेक मी देयर, एंड मेरी मम्मी बहुत सारा खाना बनाती थी, अच्छी सी बिरयानी वगैरह, और वो हम बच्चों में ले जाके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करते थे. तो आई एम जस्ट in a way extending that tradition to our future kids. I think mera nephew and Aban, he also wanted to come. He was like, oh, I want to come. I don't care if it's Sarah's birthday. So I feel it's always better कि आप छोटे बच्चों में ही वो आदत डाल दें कि giving is a nice thing. वो you need to engrave that in a child, that giving is something that gives you a high that nothing else can, no material thing can. But seeing a smile on these kids' faces, sharing this beautiful moment with them, I think that is everything. We are human beings and we should behave like ones.
So how does it feel to be a part? Like, how does it feel to be here today, and how was the whole vibe? How was the whole interaction with the kids? How do you feel about it?
You know, they've kept the name very nicely, Smile. I mean, it just completely goes with the whole foundation. All the kids are so sweet, the way they welcome me, and I've been wanting to go and meet some kids because I love kids. I just love to spend time with them. I have only these two, and they're always studying. They don't have much time, or even I don't have much time. Sometimes I'm stuck doing so many things. So I just decided, like, no better than a day than today. And the kids are fabulous. They're so bright. They're all smiling and all staring at me. There's so much love. Kids have this pure love, and you know that it comes from their soul. So there's nothing purer than that. I love that. Yeah.
That's a wonderful thought, Shama. And we would like to also know, what are your upcoming projects? Like, what's coming up next for you?
So I have just completed 6th short film of my home production, a project called Ab Dil Ki Sun, that is to spread awareness about depression and bipolar or such mental illnesses. It is inspired by my life, real life incidents, fictionalized obviously, but each film has a unique story, a unique message, a unique question rather, not even a message. I would like people to find the answer on their own, because I don't want to say that this is right or this is wrong. I think they should be, it should be their right to decide what is right and what is wrong for them.
Next 9 Newsroom की रिपोर्ट।